Debt review loans. Debt review loans have been widely discussed in the industry as impossible to obtain and/or abused by unscrupulous and unregistered credit providers, but that does not mean one cannot obtain a debt review loan or a loan in general. There are a lot of different types of debt review loans or loans in general out there, and it can be hard to know which one is right for you. That's why it's important to do your research and understand the different options before you decide to take out a loan. One type of loan that you may be considering is a personal loan. Personal loans can be used for a variety of purposes, including debt consolidation, home improvement projects, or medical expenses. Personal loans typically have lower interest rates than credit cards, so they can be a good option if you're carrying high-interest debt. Another type of loan that you may be considering is a student loan. Student loans can help you pay for your education, and they typically have lower interest rates than other types of loans. If you're considering a student loan, make sure to shop around and compare rates from different lenders. No matter what type of loan you're considering, it's important to do your research and make sure you understand the terms and conditions. How to get a loan while under debt review. To answer this in a short and simple way, you need to do the following. 1. Apply for debt review removal. If you are no longer over-indebted, were wrongfully listed by an unscrupulous debt counselor, or do not have a debt review court order in place and can afford the original repayments, then this will be the first step. You will also need to note that there are legal fees involved which can amount from 3,500 Rand to 120,000 Rand, but don't worry, our fee is set to 6,000 Rand, which can be payable over 2 to 3 months. 2. Apply for a debt review clearance certificate. Sometimes your credit application gets declined because your debt counselor did not issue a clearance certificate, Form 19, or has not updated all registered credit bureaus as required. In this instance, you will need to contact your debt counselor and request them to issue the clearance and update all registered credit bureaus. Contact the NCR on 0860-627-627 should you fail to get in touch with your debt counselor. And as a last resort, you can contact us and we will assist at a fee of 450 Rand, VAT excluded. 3. Consulting a loan shark or a lender that is not a registered credit provider could be the worst decision that you will ever make. Loan sharks do not operate under the necessary and strict regulations implemented by the National Credit Act and, in a sense, are outside of the law. These loan sharks will often offer you high-interest short-term loans for a quick fix, resulting in interest rates building and you're paying much more than originally borrowed.